Ever wondered where our humble abode, the Earth, sits in the vast expanse of the cosmos? Picture this: Earth, our blue-green marble, is but one of 8 celestial bodies orbiting our Sun, a rather average star amidst the billions that twinkle in our galaxy, the Milky Way. We're comfortably nestled in the Goldilocks zone, neither too close nor too far from the Sun, making our planet a cozy haven for life as we know it. Now, expand your perspective beyond our solar system. The Milky Way, in all its spiral glory, is just one of an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. That's right, 2 trillion. In this grand cosmic canvas, Earth is but a speck, a grain of sand on the cosmic beach. So, as we can see, Earth is just a tiny part of a much larger picture. But that doesn't make it any less fascinating. What makes Earth so special in this grand cosmic theater? In the grand scheme of the cosmos, Earth, our home, stands out as an oasis of life. Its unique traits set it apart, making it an exception rather than the norm. So what are these unique characteristics that make Earth so special? Firstly, Earth is commonly referred to as the blue planet, a nickname earned due to the abundance of water. Approximately 70% of Earth's surface is covered in water, a resource vital for life as we know it. It's a sight to behold from space, a shimmering blue marble standing out against the vast black canvas of the universe. Then there's Earth's atmosphere, a protective blanket of gases enveloping our planet. It's more than just the air we breathe. It shields us from the harsh radiation of the sun, keeps our planet warm, and is a vital part of the water cycle, which brings life-giving water to all corners of our planet. But the uniqueness of Earth doesn't stop there. Life, in its myriad forms, flourishes here. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, life has found a way to thrive in every corner of our planet. This vast diversity of life is yet another trait that sets Earth apart in the cosmic theater. Last but not least, there's Earth's magnetic field, an invisible force field that protects us from the sun's harmful solar winds. Without it, life as we know it wouldn't exist. The magnetic field serves as a shield, deflecting these solar winds and preventing them from stripping away our atmosphere. So, when you think about it, Earth isn't just a speck in the cosmos. It's a beautiful, life-sustaining planet with a unique set of traits that make it perfect for us. From its abundant water to its protective atmosphere, to the diverse life it supports and the magnetic field that keeps it all safe, Earth truly is special in this grand cosmic theater. Isn't it fascinating how much is happening right here on our home planet, setting it apart from its cosmic neighbors? Ever pondered over the celestial ballet that keeps Earth in its perfect place? Let's dive into this cosmic choreography that's been going on for over 4.5 billion years. It all starts with 2 fundamental movements, rotation and revolution. Earth rotates on its axis, an imaginary line passing through the north and south poles. This rotation is why we experience day and night. When one side of the Earth faces the sun, it's bathed in light, day. As the Earth continues to rotate, this side moves away from the sun and it's night. Now, while Earth is spinning around on its axis, it's also revolving around the sun, following a path we call an orbit. This journey takes about 365.25 days, a year. But the Earth's axis isn't straight up and down. It's tilted at about 23.5 degrees. This tilt, combined with the revolution, is responsible for the changing seasons. As the Earth travels around the sun, the tilt of the axis means that the amount of sunlight reaching different parts of the Earth changes. During summer, your part of the Earth is tilted towards the sun, receiving more direct sunlight. In winter, it's tilted away, receiving less direct sunlight. Spring and autumn are transitional periods with roughly equal amounts of daylight and darkness. But what keeps Earth from flying off into space or crashing into the sun? The answer is gravity, an invisible force that pulls objects towards each other. The sun's gravity pulls on Earth, and Earth's gravity pulls back. But because Earth is moving, it doesn't fall straight into the sun. Instead, it keeps falling around the sun. This delicate balance between the forces keeps Earth in a stable orbit. So, the sun and Earth are in a constant dance, maintaining an intricate balance that allows life to thrive. This dance is an eternal testament to the laws of physics, a choreography that has been perfected over billions of years. It's a dance that continues to sustain life as we know it on this tiny blue dot in the vast cosmic arena. What does the future hold for our home in the cosmos? Let's wander into the realm of speculation and theory, imagining Earth's cosmic future. It's a story of a far-off time, billions of years from now, when our sun exhausts its nuclear fuel and swells into a red giant. Our home planet Earth will face an intense heat, possibly leading to a barren, lifeless world. But fear not, for this is not the end, but a new beginning. This stark inevitability underscores the importance of space exploration. It's a journey driven by the insatiable human curiosity, the pursuit to find potential new homes in the cosmos. Mars, exoplanets, or perhaps even galaxies far, far away could become our future abodes. Our cosmic future might seem like a daunting prospect, full of uncertainty and challenges. But it's this very uncertainty that fuels our sense of adventure. Although the future may seem daunting, it's the spirit of exploration and curiosity that will guide us forward. Let's take a moment to appreciate the cosmic journey of our home. Earth, although just a speck in the vast cosmos, shines with unique traits that set it apart. It's a lively blue planet teeming with diverse life forms thanks to its perfect distance from the sun and its protective atmosphere. Our Earth dances a delicate ballet with the sun, revolving around it in a yearly cycle that brings the rhythm of seasons, while rotating on its axis to serve us day and night. The celestial waltz of Earth and Sun is a testament to the intricate choreography of the cosmos. And while our planet's future may seem uncertain, rest assured that Earth will continue its cosmic journey, evolving and adapting in the grand scheme of things. Understanding our home planet's role in this cosmic theater helps us appreciate our place in the universe. In the grand cosmic theater, Earth might be a small actor, but it's definitely playing a leading role.